In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Calendar notifications. If you're tired of constant alerts interrupting your day, this guide will show you how easy it is to turn them off. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. Simply type Google Calendar into your search bar and then click on the first result that appears. This will usually take you directly to the Google Calendar page. Now, if you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email, then click Next. This will prompt you to enter your password. Remember to keep your credentials safe, and if you're using a public or shared computer, make sure not to save your login information. Once you've entered your password, click Next again, and this should log you into your Google Calendar account. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon. It typically resembles a gear and is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings. Within the Settings menu, you're going to want to locate Notification Settings. It's worth noting that Google Calendar allows you to personalize your notification settings on a pretty granular level. In the notification settings, you'll see several options. Click on Alerts to proceed. You're now just moments away from notification bliss. In the Alerts section, look for the option to turn notifications off. Simply click on Off and you're done. It's as simple as that. Now you can enjoy your calendar without the constant buzz of reminders and alerts. Remember, even though you've turned off notifications here, you can always enable them again if you need to. It's all about finding what works best for you and your daily routine. You might find it helpful to set up different notifications for different types of events, or perhaps just a weekly summary to keep you updated without the constant interruptions. And that's it! You've now successfully turned off Google Calendar notifications. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you navigate through the digital world. See you next time!